want to take in this demo out for vehicle discharging I-10 northbound of 194. Gonna be 4 vehicles, a white Mustang with a Texas plate, a Camaro, and another Mustang. They stopped in the middle of traffic. Came out of Troop B.
74. Now the lead unit, we're continuing northbound. We'll be coming up to Chippewa Street. Alright, we just passed.
I'm back behind him. We took the college exit. We're taking the College Street exit. Alright, we're turning north on College. Northbound on College, coming up to Corporate. Alright, passing Corporate, he ran down the light. We're turning south onto Badwell Street. Taking another left onto Barber Street. Where you gonna go this time? We're taking a right again, back on Bells.
I think we can shoot the block though.
There's units everywhere, but nobody's blocking anything.
Remember, I haven't known this game.
So I'm assuming they might have it. Well, we're going back through a yard, cutting across. T20, stand by.
Hello. Fire, shot fire. Hello. I'm going back to a yard, cutting across. T20, stand by. Hello. Fire, shot fire. Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired.